I have the distinct honor of announcing the next awardee, and that's Biogenic Reagents. Since opening its doors at Sawyer in 2012, Biogenic has expanded twice and added 31 employees in 2013. They have filed multiple patents for their innovative products, equipment, and processes. I'd like to welcome Jim Mennel, CEO of Biogenic Reagents.
Well, good morning, and thank you. We really appreciate the recognition of our business on behalf of our employees and everyone who's working here in Marquette area, just as we've appreciated the tremendous support that we've had from the community, whether it's the Lake Superior Community Partnership and their tireless efforts to help us, the County Board helping us to get approvals, the Michigan Economic Development Agency. We've just had incredible support, and we've had great support with our local partners as well. So it's a great place to do business. We feel very fortunate to be operating here in Michigan. So Biogenic Reagents is a developer and a producer of carbon products, and we make our products from wood, which is a renewable resource. We developed and patented a very unique platform technology that lets us make products like activated carbon. So activated carbon is a really pure form of carbon that is made porous, and it captures contaminants. We use it to purify drinking water. We use it to clean up air emissions. We use it for a range of environmental applications. We also use it to help improve crop production and allow crops to be more productive and to have a lesser impact on the environment where they're grown. Ultimately, we're pretty excited about the products we make. We make products that improve the environment, and we make products that improve people's lives. Our production facility is located up in Gwinn. We're at two of the former hangars that were used by the Air Force. It's a really neat repurposing of those sites to establish our production operations. And what we do in a very basic sense is we take wood, and we can use any part of a tree that's left over from wood processing facilities, bark, sawdust, tops, limbs, and we take it through a proprietary process known as pyrolytic fractionation. And in layperson's terms, what we do is we heat up the wood, and we reduce it to a very pure form of carbon. The gases that come from that we then use as bioenergy to power our operations. We have renewable energy and a renewable product, and those products again go into purifying the drinking water for people and into agricultural crop production, and also into reducing air emissions from a range of different power plants and coal-fired facilities. To build our process in our company, we assembled a world-class team of biotech and clean tech experts. Our chief technology officer is the CEO of an Interpol Laboratories, a leading research laboratory. We took some of the top scientists and researchers out of companies like Cargill and Poet and brought the team together and said, how do we make carbon in a more sustainable manner? How do we make products in a safe manner? And how do we do it in a lower cost manner than the way it's been done traditionally? Most carbon that's out there today that's used for water purification comes from coal, and we wanted to do it in a very, very different approach. We brought this team together, and we developed and scaled a process and built it. We built pilot operations, and we've continued to expand our commercial production up at the Gwinn operation. So our Gwinn operation we call Michigan Renewable Carbon. We've got $50 million of capital deployed into that location to date. We spent about $31 million last year into the location. It's a really unique facility. We've got dozens and dozens of patents that are issued or pending for the technologies that we've developed that go into the operation. We've got a perfect safety and a perfect environmental record, which is a really important part of the business culture that we've established at that facility. As was mentioned, we added 31 jobs last year alone, and we're looking to continue to grow technical and other resources as well as production resources at our Michigan operation. One of the things that's unique about our business is our biggest feedstock, our biggest purchasing requirement is wood. It all comes 100% locally sourced from local wood products companies and businesses. We take their co-products, and so we like the fact that all the dollars we spend to make our products go right back into the Upper Peninsula economy. One of the things we're very proud about is the environmental performance of our Michigan facility. We're making environmental products, and we thought it was really important that we made products that, in a way that kind of mannered what we were trying to do. When you compare the air emissions for a unit of production of our carbon compared to the traditional coal-based carbon companies, we have about 2% of the air emissions. And a typical carbon plant that makes a water treatment product like Calgon will have 500 million gallons of wastewater a year. We have zero wastewater from our process. We established a water-free process, and we're really proud of our world-leading sustainability metrics. We've got the best environmental sustainability profile of any producer of carbons on the planet, and we're making really high-performing products doing so. It's a neat advantage for us because it's doing the right thing to make environmental products, but it's also a competitive advantage. A lot of our customers are large entities or large cities. They care about the environmental performance of the products that they're buying, and they like our sustainability profile and view that as a significant competitive advantage. I think I'm missing a slide, but that's okay. I'll tell you a little bit more about our performance. We're making really, really unique products that perform very, very well. We've been through a series of performance evaluations by different cities that are out there, and they test our products against the other products that exist in the marketplace. And this last year, we won over 50 competitive RFP processes. We won more than all of our existing competitors put together. We're grabbing market share more rapidly, and the main driver in that is the fact that our products are performing really well. So major cities like Omaha, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Kansas City, Cincinnati, we are now supplying the products that purify the water for all those people in those locations. So it's kind of neat that waste wood coming out of the UP is being used to purify water all across North America. Similarly, our products are going into crop production and helping produce foods in a cleaner and better manner. We're just really pleased to be a part of the Upper Peninsula business community. It's been a great place to be, and we look forward to continuing to grow and build our business in this location. Thank you very much for the award.